Good morning, good evening, good night, and good afternoon. Welcome to Crypto Cracks. My name is Vicky. Every day on this channel, I give you all the updates, news, analysis, and whatever is going on in the crypto world. On this video today, I want to give you a quick update on where we are going with Bitcoin and why the markets are crashing right now and what's happening next. So whenever the market are up and up and up, the morale, the motivation, the energy, the enthusiasm is very high in investors, especially the retail ones. However, the pro traders, the pro institutional traders, the people who have been in the market for a while, people who have also been in stocks market and the financial forex market and commodities market, pre-crypto understands the market more differently. They do not panic sell. They do not get upset with crashes. In fact, I and a lot of people in the trading world, they see the crashes as a buying opportunity. So let me give you a quick example. A lot of leaders, a lot of Greek, Roman, and the general late politics in the world, all the big leaders have always said one thing, that the most opportunities out in the market or in the world or in the economy is when there is blood on the streets. Now, that does not mean blood on the streets literally. That means when things are crashing. For example, if there's an economic crash, if there's a forex crash, if there's a commodity crash, if there's a political crash, that's the time when the key people, they make their moves. They don't let it demotivate them. For example, a lot of people who have made parabolic money are the ones who have actually lost money during the crash, and whilst there was a crash, they bought more and they doubled their profits when the market went back up. Not only they recovered the money which they have put on, in fact they made more money, and even when the market bounced back at the break-even, they did not just take the break-even money out, they in fact took some money out in profits. And if the market have exceeded, they have doubled their profits because they invested at the crash. So if you have invested money in crypto, and when you have a little correction, let's say, not even a crash, for example, like this, a lot of people will start panicking. They're like, oh, I don't want to put more money in. Oh, I don't want to take more. I would just want to take my money out, or I hope it stops. And they start panicking, and they are more like going into that thinking zone that, oh, how much loss can I stop? Rather than how can I hold enough long so that I can at least come out as a break even. If not, you want to come out in profits. In crypto, I give you a few facts. Each year, Bitcoin has on average increased. There is no two ways about it. This is legit, factful data. Each year, cryptocurrencies have increased on average. So if you are holding long enough, you are in there. A lot of people in crypto who have actually made life-changing money, who have actually made some good money in terms of being in it for a long run, are the ones who have been there on average for 4 years, guys. 4 years. And I've been telling that on my channel before as well. If you are new to crypto, if you think you've only been there for a few months or a year, you are still new. At the same time, the luck is on our side because we have entered the market as at the early adopter position in general, globally. So not that you are new, cryptocurrency is new, plus you are in the market when the cryptocurrency is a very new market as well. All these three things are playing in your favor. You just need to do the time. Whether it's business, whether it's a relationship, whether it's friendship, whether it's family, you need to give the time in order to get the returns. You cannot just come into any of these four things or any other things if I've missed and expect quick returns. If you're looking to get rich overnight, this is not the channel for you. Crypto maybe the meme coins, you can go along, but again, remember, when you're looking to get rich overnight, you can even get very poor overnight as well because of the risk involved. My game, my chances, we are in this position that we don't really need to have any risk. We are not running in the stock market. We are not putting money on gambling, horse racing, sports betting and all of that. We are literally putting money in a changeable industry which is right now booming. Just like the internet industry, when it was booming, people were not in there thinking I'm going to make quick money and come out. People who are the actual investors, they invest money for the long run because they know the time will pay off. A lot of people get shaken off during this time. They're saying, for example, if you start up a company, if your company survives the first 1 year, they say 80%. I think there's a huge percentage that 80 to 70% of at least more than 50% companies, they do not survive 1 year. Then there is a saying that if a company, for example, or a business survive more than 3 years or more than 5 years, that's first of all 80% have come out of that business, they don't survive, and the 20 which have survived have a very high chance to survive for a much longer period. So people who do time, whether it's business, investment, crypto, stocks, life, relationship, family, they get the money back, they get the profits back. They are the ones who actually reap the proper profits. Even if you grow a plant, it doesn't give you a fruit straight away. Some plants, they take 3-4 years to grow the fruit, and once they start growing fruit, they grow it every single year, every single harvest month, and you enjoy the harvest. Simple as that. Same thing applies with crypto. Now the market are down, for example. Let me give you a quick shout as well. There is a chart indication that the market can go down up to 42k. Right now it's lingering at 44 to 45k. There is a highly likely chance that it can go down 42k and bounce back up from there. 42k is a very high resisting point. It's not a number I just made up. It's the number where a lot of trades have been opened at 42k for the long. Now that trades are done by big institutions, and they would do anything and everything to make sure that that trade does not get liquidated. So that's another one. However, if we hit the bottom of the 42k, then the second plan B bottom is 38k. 38k is the next resistance level where there is a huge number of trades. You don't understand, blockchain and crypto is transparent. You can literally go and see every single transaction happening on the blockchain transparently, minute by minute, second by second. That's how transparent it is. You can see all the trades which are in the market. I do all the research on these figures, guys. You might be thinking, where am I getting all my numbers? I do all my research on how much money is in the trade, when did the trade go in, who put the trade, when are the whales trading, when are the institution putting their money. Same thing with investment as well. Which big company have invested in Bitcoin at what rate, and why that rate is significant, because such a big company have invested on that rate, who have highly paid professional advisors. They have government connections, these kind of companies, so they don't just make an investment through luck. They have all the fundamentals, and I go and research on those fundamentals so that I can bring that news in this channel to let you know. So 42k is the first resistance point of Bitcoin. So I'm not saying it might go up. The charts are still saying that it might go down. However, we had a green daily today, a daily green candle on the daily chart, which is a good sign. Now also remember, guys, for 3 weeks or at least 4 weeks, we have been going up and up and up with Bitcoin. I think there has been 4 weekly candles which have been green, and it was such a high number of climb, or such a quick climb by Bitcoin, which was very abnormal. Now why we do not want these kind of crazy climb? I'm loving this crash right now, because this is what we need. If any market goes really quickly up, and that's how quickly it will hit the top, and it will not hit a higher top. When the markets are slowly growing, having the right corrections, and then having the upward moves, that is a huge sign of that coin or that investment or that asset to have a huge and a higher number of all-time high. That is simple mathematics, guys. So if you see Bitcoin going up crazily in a short amount of time, that's not really good for us, because that means that we will not reach the 100k or the 200k or the crazy figures people are predicting. But if we keep having regular corrections in the market, if we keep having these kind of drops after 3 to 4 weeks, that means we are in a very healthy situation when it comes to the market, and we will go a lot more higher. So we want to have a slow growth. We do not want the hype growth. Again, secondly, when we have such a hyped up growth in the market, we have to have a correction, and that's what we are going through right now. 25 to 30% correction from the price is very normal. It's unpanickable. However, because the Bitcoin price is such a huge price, and again the Bitcoin price affects the other altcoins, a lot of people start panic selling. You need to be panic buying right now. In fact, I don't even suggest right now for anybody to panic buy, because I'm looking to buy some more crypto, and I'm looking for that 42k hitting point or dipping point before I start buying. And if we don't, and if the charts start going up, I will be buying myself, and I will indicate to you all as well here when to buy more crypto. But right now, markets are down. If they're crashing, if you have some money, keep it on a standby and buy at the right dip, so that you can quickly make some more extra money, at the same time recover your losses if you are in loss, because a lot of people should still be in profit if they bought Bitcoin at the right time. I'm still in profit, for example, even if the Bitcoin price goes really low. and I will be sharing my all-time high. When Bitcoin hit its all-time high, I will be also sharing my portfolio with you all, exactly how I spend my money, where did I spend my money, on what coins have I spent my money, and at what time I've spent my money. So this is the update for you guys. There's a market crash or correction right now going. Once that correction is done, we're gonna go faster and quicker on the uptrend. So just hold your crypto. If it starts going below the danger level, I will be giving you a shout. I will keep you updated. I'm not saying that the markets are 200% going up. There's a highly likely chance. Fundamentals, technicals, and everything is in our favor. There is no quick manipulation signs in the market right now, which I'm seeing. So that's why we can easily go back up, which I'm very confident about. So guys, hold your crypto, don't panic, stay in the long run, and with the long run mentality, you will succeed. This is what I preach on this channel, and we want to all come out at profits. I would like each and every single one of my listeners to come out and profit, but that only can be achievable if you listen to what I'm saying, and I will give you a genuine, humbly non-profit making kind of price, because I am not making money from any of this. I'm just giving the information I have, which I'm using to make myself money. Thank you very much, guys. Love you all. Adios, and I will see you very shortly with another update. I hope till then you guys stay intact, stay healthy, and keep enjoying yourself. Bye bye.